Good morning, guys. It's like, what is it? 12:26. Hey, I took my shower for the day. 12:26. I took a shower. My hair is all nice. I'm gonna give you guys a nice hairstyle update. It's been a while since I've done one of these hairstyle videos, but I'm gonna do it. And this is like the most simple hairstyle I ever done in my life. Like, it takes like probably a minute or two to do. Click that like button. Let's hype up this channel really good. Alright, before we go, make sure you guys grab your Gatorade and yeah. Okay, literally all you're gonna need is just a hair dryer and wet hair. Don't forget the wet hair. Dude, if your hair is not wet, then this ain't gonna work at all. Like, it's gonna turn out into a really big mess and you're just gonna end up with something worse. Grab one of these hair dryers and do this thing. It will change your hairstyle life. No more of that gel stuff, dude. You can't just get your hair wet and throw some gel in there and put some hairspray on, dude. You can't do that anymore, dude. It's time to get some good looking hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys how this is done. If you guys get bored of me doing my hair, you guys can just watch that right there in the background if you guys get bored. Alright guys, first thing first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start lifting up this hair. We're gonna begin making that part on the sides. So yeah, and then lift up the front, just like how I'm doing it. Also give it a light tug. It also helps to straighten out the hair and get it in an upwards motion. Keep repeating this process, and dude, this hair is gonna be flying high in the sky. As you can see, with little to no time, my hair is already up and it has its shape. Also on the edge right there, I also like to lift it up on the sides a little bit. And also, I like to put my hair over to the side and I like to get the bottom half of that part and make it nice and clean looking. And also lift up the middle of my head to bring up some extra lift in the middle, but not as much as the front. Dude, and just like that, dude, it's been like, I don't even know, it's been like a minute. This is the hairstyle. It looks pretty lit. It's like, I don't know, this is what I've been doing for the past few months. And it's probably not that good for my hair. Like, I probably got heat damage in here. I don't even know, but it seems to be holding up pretty good. So, I guess it works for me. But if you want to throw some product in, you could. But like, no, dude. I don't do it. I don't do it, dude. I don't know what to do now. My hair is done. The video is pretty much done. So, yeah. I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos, to be honest. I don't know what to do now. Since my hair is done, the video is over, what do? I don't know. If you guys got any ideas of what I should do next for my YouTube videos, then go follow my Instagram and DM me some video ideas. It would help me out a lot. I don't really know what the plans are for this channel yet. I do have another video planned for you guys, and it's gonna be pretty lit. But I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell any of you guys what it is. Go click the subscribe button, dude. It's gonna add some extra hype to this channel. It's gonna make it do its thing, dude. It's just gonna, I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.